Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet flower vase designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet flower vase is a decorative item made using crochet techniques, usually with yarn or thread to create either a vase cover, a crocheted sleeve, or wrap that fits over a glass, ceramic, or plastic vase or jar. It adds texture, color, and handmade touch, turning a plain vase into something unique. These covers can be lacy, solid, or patterned with flowers, shells, or granny square motifs. A full crochet vase, a standalone vase structure crocheted from yarn, often stiffened with glue, straws, or resin to hold its shape. Some are made around a balloon or mold, then hardened so they can stand like a real vase. A decorative vase with crochet flowers. Sometimes the vase is paired with handmade crochet flowers, giving a long-lasting arrangement with never wilts. Uses of a crochet flower vase: home decor, table centerpiece, shelf decoration, cottage or purposes touch. Gift idea, especially paired with crochet flowers, eco-friendly alternative to plastic decor. Here are some creative tips for making crochet flower vase. Design and pattern ideas. Basic covers. Use fine cotton thread to create delicate lace-style vase covers. Great for picnic or cottage look. Granny scarf vase. Turn small colorful granny scarves into a sleeve that wraps around a plain vase or chair. Textured patterns. Try puff stitch, bubble stitch, or shells to add 3D texture that makes the vase stand out. Natural motifs. Crochet leaves, peonies, or small flowers directly onto the vase cover for a garden-inspired style. Rustic style. Use jute tape or natural cotton yarn to create a farmhouse-inspired crochet vase cover. Color and style choices. Monochrome elegance. A single soft color like cream, white, or pastel pink gives a minimalist cottage charm. Bright florals. Bold yarn colors like red, yellow, or green make the vase pop, especially when paired with crochet flowers. Finishing touches. Stiffening. If making a standalone vase, stiffen with a fabric stiffener, straws, or glue, so it keeps shape. Glass or jar base for functional use. Slim ear crochet cover, a recycled glass jar or bottle for stability. Ribbons and beads. Add stained ribbons, lace trims, or beads. Surround the top for an elegant feminine look. Crochet flowers. Fill your vase with crochet roses, tulips, or daisies to complete the handmade decor. If you want your crochet vase to look elegant and timeless, stick to neutral yarn and delicate stitches for a fun and lively vibe. Go with colorful granny scarves and playful textures. Here are more tips for crochet flower vases to inspire you further. Materials and yarn selection. Cotton yarn, best for creeps, stitches, lace effect, and durability. Jute or hemp. Create this a rustic farmhouse vibe, sturdy for jar covers. Shiny yarn, metallic or silk blend yarns give a luxurious, elegant vase look. Recycled yarn, eco-friendly and adds character, great for cottage-style decor. Creative design enhancement. Two-tone layers. Work the vase cover in two contrasting shades for a bold look. Ombre effect. Use gradient yarn to make a soft, fading color effect. Open work lace, crochet with T spaces and airy stitches for a see-through tilted vase. Applique Décor attach crochet butterflies, mini hearts or tiny flowers on the vase body. Strap look. Alternate colors every few rows to mimic painted ceramic straps. Functional ideas. Multi-size covers. Make adjustable covers with drawstrings so they can fit various jars. Table set. Crochet a vase with matching coasters, dollies, or table runner. Gift set. Pair a crochet vase with crochet flowers and a card for handmade gifting. Mini vases. Tiny crochet vases for single stems or as cute Décor pieces. Finishing and emblazing. Lining. Adds a fabric lining inside if the crochet is too open, helps stability. Steam bottom base. Insert a cardboard or plastic circle at the bottom before stiffening for shape. Pearls and beads. Save beads in flower centers or sculpture tiny pearls for elegance. Ribbon tie a bow at the neck for the vase adds a romantic cottage touch. If you want your crochet flower vase to stand out as a statement piece, combine lace stitches plus neutral yarn plus bead work for a timeless vintage look. Stitch and structure ideas. Crochet over wire frame. Wrap your crochet stitches over a simple vase shape for strength and style. Tapestry crochet. Use multiple colors in one row to create patterns like hearts, zigzags, or floral motifs. Popcorn stitch accents and popcorn stitch bands for a raised decorative effect. Cotton bottom with fabric body. Mix crochet for the base and fabric for the sides to create a hybrid vase. Decorative enhancement. Mimicry and crochet combo. Add mimicry knots or tassels around the vase neck for a boho look. Crochet lace collar. Create a detachable lace collar to slip over plain vases. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!